Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove items from your basket in the CCC app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the CCC app. And here you can see I already have 3 items in my cart. On the bottom, on the fourth icon, this is my cart, and in this red circle you can see the number 3. That means I have 3 items in my basket. Here you can see my 3 items, and it's pretty easy. On the right side of the item there is a trash can. If you tap on the trash can, then it removes from the basket. You just have to tap on the right side of the item on the basket. Tap on it, and that's empty. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.